Ghanaians can now travel to Morocco without traditional visas following a new bilateral agreement between the two countries. According to the Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okudzeto-Ablakwa, travelers will now use a simplified online travel authorization system with approvals expected within 24 hours.
And I appreciate you for clicking on today's video. If you are new, my name is Lily and I hope you give this video a like. Yes, I know for a fact that by the time you see this video, it will no longer be a news because it's already everywhere on the internet. I saw this video about 3 days ago, but my videos are behind time. If you know by now, you know. So I apologize for coming late, but I said we have to talk about it. So I can congratulate you, my good friends and family. I mean, the good people of Ghana. And if you're wondering, what is it again, Lily? I'm talking about the new collaboration between the Moroccan government and the Ghanaian government on visa-free travel between Ghana and Morocco. And let's hear from the horse's mouth.
Ghanaians can now travel to Morocco without traditional visas following a new bilateral agreement between the two countries. According to the Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okudzeto-Ablakwa, travelers will now use a simplified online travel authorization system with approvals expected within 24 hours. The move is expected to boost trade, tourism and cultural exchange between the two countries. Officials say it also signals growing momentum toward closer African integration and mobility.
The Foreign Ministry will reach an agreement where Ghanaian visitors to Morocco will no longer require visas. They just have to go online and they'll get authorization within 24 hours. So this is going to really boost, trade, tourism, and people-to-people engagements. We are also working together on a number of road projects to connect the north and the west. We've discussed that. And next month, when the technical experts meet, we are hoping that we'll have experts on both sides meeting because we want to revive our Ghana Airways and we also want to expand our ports. And Morocco has been doing a lot in that area and we want to collaborate to make sure that we are able to work together to achieve these logistical integration and the connectivity of our people between the two countries.
Thank you for the warm reception since my arrival. The hospitality has been outstanding and we are very grateful. I bring you very warm greetings from President John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana. He extends his very warm regards to his good brother, King Mohammed VI, and President Mahama is looking forward very soon to pay a state visit to Morocco so that he can interact with his brother, His Royal Majesty. Ghana notes that the last time there was a high-level visit, it was King Mohammed VI who visited Ghana. So it is now the turn of Ghana to return the visit, and President Mahama is keen and ready, and he says I should tell you to inform His Royal Majesty that he's ready at his earliest convenience to pay a visit and to reciprocate that very good gesture. And that is a visit that we still remember fondly because when the King visited, we signed 21 very important agreements, and that has led to opening trade. We have a lot of businesses now collaborating, working together, and we have since that visit been able to even establish an insurance company here, a Ghanaian insurance company working here, and it has really bolstered trade, and we know that a second reciprocal visit would really advance our relations. So we consider this meeting today a precursor to the meeting between the King and President Mahama. I would also like to establish that this bilateral discussion today has been very, very successful. We have agreed to have an easy mode of transport for our people. There is already a direct flight between Ghana and Morocco. Ghana and Morocco. But what has been the hindrance to trade, hindrance to tourism, and hindrance to our people-to-people engagement has been the visa challenge. Now we have agreed that with immediate effect, Ghanaians can just go online and have their visas processed within 24 hours. And that is really going to boost commerce, is going to boost tourism, because this is a very popular destination. El Morocco is always full. Many Ghanaians love to visit the beautiful city of Rabat, of Casablanca, Marrakesh. These are very popular cities back home, and I know that Ghanaians will be very, very excited about this agreement. We have also agreed that the scholarship program, which has run between our two countries, will now be increased from about 70 scholarships to 140, and that is very good news for us. We have also indicated that our universities will be open to Moroccan students, particularly those who want to learn English and African studies and all of that. Our universities will have a special bilateral arrangement for Moroccan students. We've also agreed to cooperate in the area of food security. Ghana is currently spending about $3 billion every year importing food, and the new president is determined to reverse that trend, because it is not acceptable. And so we are happy to collaborate with Morocco, which has a competitive advantage when it comes to agriculture, agribusiness, fertilizer production. And so in the next few days, we are going to be receiving experts from Morocco who will be working with our experts to look at the best kind of fertilizer that is good for our soil and the kind of agriculture that we do. We are looking at starting with the cocoa sector so that we can increase our cocoa production, because cocoa is a very, very important cash crop for our country, and we want to start in that area. We have also looked at enhancing regional security. We are concerned about the increasing threat of terrorism, violent extremism, particularly within the Maghreb and the Sahel region, which is a threat to all of us. And everybody knows that Morocco has very good intelligence gathering and very good security systems. And so we are going to cooperate. Already President Mahama is mediating with the AES countries to see how we can help resolve their internal security challenges, which is a threat to the entire region of Africa. And so we are excited about the security cooperation that we have discussed. We have also, on the matter of Western Sahara, welcome the new efforts by the United Nations, and we have said that the United Nations will have to expedite action in mediating this long dispute which has been going on for more than 5 decades. We have welcomed the plan that Morocco has presented, and we believe that there has to be a mutual agreement between all parties so that we can find a lasting peace in this region. Ghana has always stood for peace. That is why we were the first to propose the non-aligned movement. We were also among the first countries to advocate a world without nuclear weapons, and it is consistent with our peace-loving foreign policy that we cannot continue to be against each other and to be, if you like, engaging in a stalemate which does not help to bring peace, stability, and cohesion. And so our long-standing disposition has always been for peace, for dialogue, and we think that all parties should come to the table and dialogue under the United Nations framework. And there should be a commitment that the decision of the United Nations will be final in this matter. And so, by and large, it's been very, very successful. And I would like to finally say that this has been a Ghana-Morocco week. Only yesterday, I was in Rwanda, where Ghana and Morocco competed for the Africa Medicines Agency Director General. And this time, we beat Morocco. But it was a very healthy contest. Even before the report of the expert panel was presented, the Moroccan delegation walked up to us and said that, look, we are brotherly countries. We have always been one people. And so whichever way the decision is, we will support you. If it goes in our favor, we also expect you to support us. And that is what we did. And everybody, all the delegates applauded the example that Ghana and Morocco demonstrated in Kigali yesterday. And we are continuing with that tradition. Our relations are at an all-time high. And we will continue to work together in the interest of peace and stability and progress, the transformation of our region. At the end of the day, our diplomacy must yield peace, it must yield progress, it must yield jobs for our people, it must yield opportunities for our people. That is our priority, and I'm glad that King Mohammed is really a visionary leader who also believes in these principles, and will continue to work with Morocco in that regard. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Isn't this amazing? Last year, it was South Africa, a country that my fellow Nigerians would do any and everything to get access to, was made visa-free for Ghanaians. This year, Morocco, a country that my people, the people that I call by my name, that my own people would do anything, everything, including lying about their nationality, just to have access into, also have granted visa-free entry for Ghanaians. Ah, God. So, which country is next? To be honest, I would love to wake up one day and Canada is visa-free for Ghanaians. If you open my heart, not because I have a daughter that will benefit from that, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to see Ghanaians win. I want you to win. We talked about this last year, where I said that I hope one day when you wake up and you can access the UK, the US, Canada, all these countries without needing a visa, you're still going to be humble. That is all I want you to do for me, okay? Stay humble, stay authentic. Do not change who you are. I know humility comes with a downside, because from time to time you will pause and question yourself. What kind of person am I? Am I not a wise person? Am I this? I do feel that way too. And the answer is, you are a wise person, because it's wisdom that gives birth to humility. Humility in turns give birth to rewards, and these rewards in turn becomes the trophies. You see countries inviting you, oh, let's do this together, or you write to embassies or countries telling them, oh, let's do this collaboration, let's do this, and they accept, because it's only wisdom that gives birth to that. And this is why I feel happy anytime I see Ghanaians win, especially in a place where my own people lose, where my own people fail. You understand? Because I think it has to do with the older I'm getting. I've come to realize that in this life, one without God is zero. You know, you need God in everything you do. So I like it when you win, okay? I like it when, especially places where my people fail. Yeah, I like it. I like it because the fruit of humility is acceptability. I like it because you get to see that you are not unwise. you get to see that you are wise, and it encourages you to continue to be humble. And even though sometimes I see some Ghanaians on the internet talking and behaving a certain way, I feel afraid, but I believe strongly that majority of you will stay humble. Even though you wake up tomorrow, your country is now the top, one of the top countries in the world. And I pray that the humility of majority of you will overshadow those ones who try to not be humble, those that are proud, those that are bragging. Watch and see. You see that visa free, everything, even Canada will write to you one day that they want partnership with you. So the only thing you owe me nothing. The only thing you owe me, apart from liking this video, okay, stay humble and true to you, because every other person is taken, and a lot of the people that try not to be humble, you have seen them fail woefully in life. Learn from other people, learn from my country especially. The reward for pompousness and arrogance and over pridefulness will only end you in failure. So please stay humble. I love you. Congratulations to you once again, and I pray for more collaborations to come. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.